100 people just got off of the train and came up through the ground, while another 100 people just got off of the bus and are looking around at another 100 people who got off of the plane and are looking at us who got off of the train and the plane and the bus maybe yesterday. It's a city of strangers. Some come to work, some to play. A city of strangers. Some come to stay, some to stay. And every day the ones who stay can find each other in the crowded streets and the guarded parks, by the rusty fountains and the dusty trees and the battered barks. And they walk together past the posted walls with a crude remarks. And they meet at parties through the friends of friends who they'll never know. Will you pick me up or do I meet you there, or shall we let it go? Did you get my message? Cause I looked in vain. Can we see each other Tuesday if it doesn't rain? Look, I'll call you in the morning or my service will explain. And another 100 people just got off of the train.